Hello guys, today I just received this 55-piece magnetic nut driver set, and you can see how everything is well organized, and with the plastic lid you can find your size of a socket that you need pretty easy and really fast. So I just want to show you what comes in the whole package. So over here on top we have the deep sockets. So we have them in both metric and SAE. We have different sizes that you can see over here. They start from 5 millimeters and they go up to 19 millimeters. And then for the SAE, it starts from 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, and what is that? That's half inch. I'm sorry. And over here in the middle, we have magnetic sockets, and we have them again in metric and SAE. Here in the middle we have different screw bits. There are Phillips bits, hex bits, Torx, and slotted bits. So in this bottom corner we have the wing nut driver over here. Then we have the quick release bit holder that you can use for the screw bits here, and you have to just pull down to get it out. Then you have the pivoting nutsetters. So this thing here, you can set it up to be straight. If you go up here and you push it here, it's gonna stay straight. Or if you pull it down, you can set it under an angle. This set comes also with 3 universal joint sockets. There are different sizes. So the smallest one is 1/4 inch. Then this one here is 3/8, and the biggest one is 1/2 inch. I also like that this works great with impact drills and drivers, and the extra long pieces help reach narrow spaces much more easily. Overall, this is a very complete and well organized tool set and feels high quality and practical for both professionals and homeowners.